Installing the Nexus 5 rear wheel. To do this, you will need a track pump, high-performance grease, a rag, a 17mm spanner or 17mm socket attachment and torque wrench for 6 to 10 Nm, and any adapters needed, and a bottom bracket cup tool, TLFC36 for the disc rotor. The parts you need are the rear wheel. The rear wheel comes with the inner tube, tyre, brake rotor, gate sprocket and motor unit pre-assembled. The wheel also has 2 non-turn washers and 2 axle cap nuts. Check the tightness of the disc brake rotor using a bottom bracket cup tool. It should be 40 Nm. Then on the other side, check the tightness of the motor unit lock nut with a 17mm spanner. It should be 6 to 10 Nm. Next, make sure the barrel adjusters in both the dropouts are fully screwed in, so the wheel can sit as close to the Shimano drive unit as possible. Then orientate the wheel so the motor unit can be connected to the Di2 cable at the bottom, and the tabs on the non-turn washers point away from the bike. Bring the rear wheel into the dropouts, making sure that the Shimano Di2 cable and brake hose are well out of the way and not caught between the wheel and the frame or anything else. They will be assembled later. Remove the cap nuts and grease the axle. Replace the cap nuts loosely and make sure the non-turn washers and cap nuts are both still loose so you can install the belt later. Inflate the tyre using a track pump to the recommended pressure stated on the tyre sidewall.